Good morning, KGs. Welcome to our online learning class. It's our math time. Our lesson for today is lesson 13-4, Make Sense and Persevere. Our objective is to analyze, compare, and make different 2D and 3D shapes using math. But before that, I want you to get your book and your pencil. Are you ready now? Very good. Before we start with our lesson, let us first review the two-dimensional shapes. We have triangle, square, circle, and rectangle. How about the three-dimensional shapes? We have cube, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Very good, KG. I think you are ready now for our new lesson. Let's have page 767. Look at this boy. He is Jackson. Jackson wants to put flat shapes behind the door 1 and solid figures behind door 2. Can you help Jackson do the task? Very good, KG. You will draw a line from each shape to the correct door to show how we should sort the shapes. Now, get your pencil. Let's have this shape, the square. Where will you put the square, KG? Okay, in number 1. How about the sphere? Very good. Number 2. How about this triangle? We will put it in number 1. And this cylinder? Okay, in number 2 also. How about the cube? Yes, in number 2. And the rectangle? Yes, in number 1. How about this circle? Okay, we'll put it in number 1. How about this shape? Yes. Where again? In number 1. How about the cone? Yes, in number 2. Did you get the same? Now let us analyze this activity. Again, what are the shapes that you put in door number 1? All the flat shapes or all the two-dimensional shapes. Very good. How about in the door number 2? Yes, all the solid figures or all the three-dimensional shapes. Did you get it correctly, KG? Very good. Now, let's have this page 768. For this one, I will tell you the clue or the different clues. You will mark an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues, and then draw a circle around the shape that the clues describe. For example, let's have number 1. I am a solid figure. I can roll. I have only one flat surface. What shape am I? Yes, it's a cone. Because the cone can roll and it only has one flat surface. And then the rest of the figures, just mark an X. Are you ready now? Very good. Let's have number 2. I am a solid figure. I can roll. I can also stack. What shape am I? Again, I can roll and I can stack. What do you think is the answer? Yes, it's a cylinder. Because the cylinder can roll, and since it has two flat surfaces, it can also stack. The sphere cannot stack but can roll. The cube can stack but cannot roll. Did you get it? Very good. Now, this page 769. For this page, KG, let's do number 3 and 4 together. And then for number 5, 6, 7, and 8, please do it alone. I will just give you the clue and then try to figure it out what solid figure is that. Let's have number 3. I am a solid figure. I can stack and slide. I have 6 flat surfaces. What shape am I? Again, I can stack and slide and I have 6 flat surfaces. Yes, you are correct. It's a cube because a cube can stack and can slide. It also has 6 flat surfaces. The sphere cannot stack and cannot slide. Sphere can only roll. How about the cylinder? The cylinder can stack and slide, but the cylinder only has 2 flat surfaces. Did you get it correctly? Very good. Now let's have number 4. I am a solid figure. I can slide. I have only 1 flat surface. What shape am I? Again, I can slide and I only have 1 flat surface. What do you think is the answer? Yes, you are correct. It's a cone because the cone can slide and it has only 1 flat surface. The sphere cannot slide. The cylinder can slide, but cylinder has 2 flat surfaces. Did you get it? Very good. Now for number 5 and the rest of the numbers, I will just give the clue and try to answer it alone. Are you ready now? Let's do number 5. I am a solid figure. I can roll. I do not have any flat surfaces. Again, I can roll and I do not have any flat surfaces. What shape am I? Okay, I think you're finished in number 5. Let's do number 6. I am a flat shape. I have 4 sides and all of my sides are of the same length. Again, I am a flat shape. I have 4 sides. All of my sides are of the same length. What shape am I? Now circle your answer. Okay, next let's do number 7. I am a flat shape. I do not have any straight sides. What shape am I? Again, I am a flat shape and I do not have any straight sides. What shape am I? Circle your answer. Next, number 8. I am a solid figure. I can roll. I have 2 flat surfaces. Again, I can roll and I have 2 flat surfaces. What shape am I? Circle your answer. Now, let us check if your answer is correct. For number 5, the answer is sphere because it can roll and it doesn't have any flat surfaces. How about number 6? The answer is square because square has 4 sides and all of the sides are the same length. Again, all of the sides are of the same length. The answer is square. How about number 7? The answer is yes, it's a circle because a circle doesn't have any straight sides. How about number 8? Yes, you are correct. The answer is a cylinder because cylinder can roll and it has 2 flat surfaces. Did you get it correctly, KG? Yes, very good. Good job for you. Now, before we end this topic, your homework is on page 771 to 772. Everyone is expected to finish all the classwork and homework on Thursday. Have a nice day, KG. See you next time.